Hi friends, we will now read a poem on friendship. I am always addressing you as friends. So this poem is about friendships. What are friendship? What is good friendship? What are the characteristics of a good friendship? So that is what it says. So suppose somebody comes to your house, how do you treat him? How warmly you treat him? What do you exchange? What sort of information do you exchange? Do you give him food or what? Do you go to his house or not? So such things. These are all various indications of good friendship, isn't it? So that is being discussed here. What are the indications or the components of a good friendship? I will read the shloka, explain the shloka, and then again see whether any words or important words are there. Then we'll close by repeating the poem. Dadati pratigrunnhati guhyam pruchhati bhunkte bhojayate chaiva shadvidham priti lakshanam. So the poet is telling about 6 characteristics which have to be there, 6 ingredients have to be there in a good friendship. In fact, human being is a gregarious person. Man is supposed to be a gregarious animal. We love group, we can't stay alone. So that is why even in the modern life, when the modern life has created so much of distance among people, even now we are creating some new ways of having friendship. So that is why you have got a Facebook. On Facebook, you may be having 1,000 friends, though in real life you may be staying alone, you may be say just a single person, not having any friends, you don't even know who your neighbors are. But on the Facebook, you may be having 1,000 friends and you are freely exchanging, very frankly exchanging notes, etc. So a person cannot stay alone. A human being wants some sort of warmth, some friendship, some reaction. So those are there. But what to do? In real life, we are really afraid. We are scared. We are scared to share. We are scared to give some little bit to others. Give in the sense, not in monetary sense. Share some information about us. We are so protective. We are scared of having so many friendship. We feel rather unsafe, and then as though we build walls around us, and then we look so totally isolated and distanced. So that is what is the situation. But here the poet says, it is not a sign of good friendship. You please open up your heart. It is good for your health also. Of course, the poem does not say it is good for your health. I am saying it is good for our health, because if we don't open up with anybody, then all that accumulated tension is there in us, all that accumulated frustration is there in us. So if you just share it with somebody, you are light, your mind becomes light. So what the poet here says is that dadati pratigrunnhati. So here, when somebody comes to your house or when you go to somebody's house, you carry a gift. Dadati. Dadati means he gives. These are all in third person. Dadati pratigrunnhati. So he is talking about a person who is having friendship with another person. Dadati, he gives. Pratigrunnhati, he also accepts. Dadati pratigrunnhati. So a friend comes, you are supposed to give some little bit, maybe some nice dish which you have prepared. You please pack some little bit of it. Suppose he admires some vada or dosa you have made. You pack something and then give to him. They are very happy. And then you go to his house. You admire some food prepared by them. It need not be a very expensive thing. It may be even a small token. So you just give it to him. So then he is happy and you are happy. So dadati pratigrunnhati. Then the second point is very important. Guhyam pruchhati. Guhyam means something secret. Suppose there is something secret. It may be something which may be heavily on my mind, or it may be something which may not be so heavily on my mind, but it is maybe interesting. So some such thing, I suppose I share with my friend. So that is an indication of closeness. If I don't share any of my information with my friend, then obviously that friendship is only an official friendship and not on a personal level. Official friendship is different and personal friendship is different. So in that personal friendship, when you become personal in the sense that you share something, Guhyam akhyati. Akhyati means he tells. And sometimes he asks also, Guhyam pruchhati. Pruchhati what? Guhyam pruchhati. That is, he also asks, oh, well, some information, maybe some things. It is not out of any sort of probing nature, not from the point of view of a detective, not from the point of being a detective, but in a totally friendly way. Guhyam akhyati pruchhati. Then bhunkte. Bhunkte means he eats in his house. Bhunkte means eats. He goes, accepts food with him. Then you see in the so-called advanced countries, what happens is, if you and I go to a hotel, we both go, but I pay my bill and you pay your bill. If 4 or 5 people, they go to a hotel, they share the bill. In India, it never happens. If 5 people go, somebody grabs that bill and then says, no, I will pay. So there is a small clash. No, I will pay. Let me pay. So it's not so in other countries. So they say, okay, they split the bill and then they share and then they give there. So anyway, bhunkte bhojayate chaiva. Bhunkte, he eats and also bhojayate. Bhojayate means he also gives them food. He may accept food from them, he also gives food to them. Bhunkte bhojayate chaiva shadvidham priti lakshanam. So this priti lakshanam, priti means friendship or proximity. Priti is closeness. Proximity, love, affection. Priti lakshanam means characteristic. All this characteristic are that is sixfold. Shadvidham. Shadvidham means sixfold. So that is what this poet advises, because the modern life is characterized by a lot of personal walls, personal boundaries, and what is called personal distance and whatnot. And then whatever we talk, they may not be from our heart, but only from some lips, only, not from the heart. So some people say, you are not speaking out your heart. That is, there is a saying. And you are just saying some polite, meaningless words, as somebody said. So we are experts in saying some polite, meaningless words, but we don't speak from our heart. So the poet says, you please speak from your heart. It is good for your heart. So let us see the shloka. So in this shloka, of course, there is not much of complication. Dadati, pratigrunhati, guhyamakhyati, pruchhati. All these things are in third person singular. Bhunkte, bhojayate. All these are in third person singular. Shadvidham. Shad means 6. Shat is 6. Shadvidham is sixfold. Priti lakshanam. Priti is love, affection. So affection is having those 6 features. So that is what it means. We will read the poem. Dadati pratigrunhati. Guhyam akhyati pruchhati. It is guhyam, not gruhyam. Guhyam akhyati pruchhati. Bhunkte bhojayate chaiva. Shadvidham priti lakshanam. Okay, fine.